Liam, what are you doing? Can you smile? Hi. Are we going to dinner tonight? What are you going to eat? Are you going to eat dinner with me? Why is your tongue sticking out? There's that dimple I love. Yeah, there's a smile. Are you doing a happy dance? You are just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What's Annie doing?